Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can log into Cpanel and that you have the new DNS details. This is essential. Once logged in, go directly to the Zone Editor or Domains section and locate the domain you will change. Make a backup export or snapshot of current records so you can revert if needed. Also make sure you have the target name server addresses or exact CNAME and MX values ready before you modify anything. Now you edit the DNS zone itself. Select the domain and open Manage or Edit Records. Replace the or records with the new server IPs, update CNAME to point where required, and set MX and TXT records for mail and verification. If your provider gave specific TTLs, change them now. Lower TTLs help faster propagation. After each edit, hit Save. Then use the Cpanel lookup or terminal dig to confirm the record shows the new value. This prevents propagation surprises. Finally, if you move DNS away from Cpanel, update name servers at your registrar to the new provider's NS records. Otherwise, keep name servers and finish in Cpanel. Once done, verify propagation with dig or enslookup and check multiple locations. Make sure mail and web services resolve correctly. If things go wrong, check for typos in host names and IPs, ensure TTLs have expired, clear local DNS cache, and confirm no firewall or registrar lock is blocking the change. These are the common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.